All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, we're going to be using the Wybot C1, and I'm going to run this in my friend's in-ground pool. Now, I already did a video on running this in my above-ground pool, and it worked flawless, I think. Worked really good. I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box, and we will talk to you about this a little bit. I'm going to do some underwater footage, and you will watch it from above ground. And then at the end, I will pull out the filter basket. We'll clean that out and see how much stuff I get out of the bottom of this pool. And I'll show you how easy it is to clean this filter basket. Everything that comes with it is, you will get the manual. You get a quick start guide right here. You will get a hook. All these cordless ones do come with a hook that you're going to use right on your pole, like you would run your net on, or your leaf net that you have to clean off the top of your water. This should fit right in that pole. And then this is the only one I've ever used, but this Wybot comes with a floating kit. Now, I already put this floating kit on. I'll put a little clip of that in this video on how to attach this floating kit. I have a couple pieces left that I didn't put on here, but if you would have trouble climbing your walls, they say to put this floating kit on. So I've already attached some of that. And then it does come with a charger. And before I forget to tell you, this does come with a 2-year warranty, and it has a 30-day return policy if you do not like it. Out of all the 4, I have like 4 of these in my house right now. Out of all the ones that I have, this has the best warranty and the only one that has the 30-day return policy. So if you like this, I will have a link to this down in my description and my first comment. Oh, one other thing, if you do buy this and you open that box up and it looks like there's a little bit of water on it or condensation on it, that is supposedly because they try these out before they ship them to your house. If you would end up buying this, make sure you charge your battery fully. Do not get all wound up and excited. You get this thing, you open it up, you just throw it in your pool. I recommend charging the battery up fully. That first initial charge is probably going to take maybe an hour and a half, and then when you actually use it and the cleaner fully dies, it's probably going to take 3 hours to fully charge this Wybot. And I will show you, there is a light right here. Yeah, this little thing right here will light up green. When it is charging, it will blink. When it's fully charged, it will be a solid color green. One other important thing right here, this is where you're gonna plug that charger in. Make sure every time before you put this in your water, you put that cover back over and twist it on. So we have the charging port like I just showed you. It has a nice handle right here. Right here. This is where the basket is at. Seems like a pretty nice little basket, nice fine mesh. The bottom does open up like that to dump everything out. When you first get this, you're going to want to take this basket out too. It's going to have some of them little silica gel things they have in here to collect moisture, so make sure you take them out before you initially put it in the water. The bottom side has 2 of these big scrubbers here, and there is this nice little wheel here, so we're hoping this is going to help go over my buddies, like the drain at the bottom of the pool, because sometimes these like to get stuck on there. And this is where it's going to suck up all your dirt and junk and worms. Let's get this thing turned on, and I will talk to you a little bit about the app. This thing comes with an app. That's what you're going to use to change it from cleaning the floors to cleaning the floors and the wall, where you can clean just the wall, or there is a timer on the app where you can clean this thing 2 days a week, 3 days a week. I'll show you that in the app. But let's get this started and put it in the water, and I'll put it in the water. Before we get this in the pool, I just want to apologize to my buddy Adam. I got these really nice Speedos for him and me, and I even had it said Big Sexy on the butt of the Speedos, but I forgot them. So I know he's really upset with that. So if you would have really liked to seen us in Speedos, let me know. We're going to turn this on. I think we just hold this in. That turns green. Now when this turns blue, that means she is ready to go. And you got about 3 minutes to put it in the pool, or it's going to turn back off. I feel like I could have done that without even extending it. And, oh, we got some of your worms. And what in the heck is that?
Salamander. Oh, it's some big caterpillar.
This is what I like. Clean. They clean up pretty good. Hey, the water coming out of the hose is warm. Then me, I think it's nice to just spray some of the chlorine off. I don't think it hurts. We have this piece right here, and I have two screws, two Phillips screws, and I also have this long piece here. This piece I think can go up. Oh, there, like that. You would stick that up there with the sticky side up. And this piece can go on here like this. There's an arrow right there that needs to point up. Forgot. There we go. Screw in there. And screw in there. It can't hurt to stick one of them in there. That's gonna help that float better. This pool robot is definitely heavier than others that I've ever owned. It's probably why he needs more flotation. There, I got everything in there but two. All right, well that's it for this video. So I hope you learned something by watching this video. If you want to check this out, just check it out down in my description, or I'll have a link to this in my first comment. At first we started this, I had to take some of the floating kit off. You'll see in the video, I'll show you how to put that floating kit on in this video, but we ended up taking the front. There's a piece that goes in here. The piece I screwed in here, I ended up taking that off because it didn't seem to be working right. After I took that off, it did work a lot better. I never did see it get stuck on the bottom drain of this pool, so I guess that's a good thing. All right, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and have a wonderful summer.